The first stage of a successful dropshipping business involves finding the right products. In this video, I'll show you how to use Dropast's search tool or Taobao to find the right Taobao products for your business. If you're not looking for products in a certain niche, the best approach to find the best-selling products on Taobao is to go to Taobao.com, translate the page using Chrome's translation function, then scroll down to the You May Also Like section. You can find the most popular products in this section, and you can load more by scrolling down and waiting for them to load, then clicking on the product of your choice. Another approach to spot the best Taobao products is to use Dropast's search tool inside the Winnings section, which allows you to choose a price range if desired, choose the keyword function as the main category, and write the product keyword you're looking for in your language. Then, by clicking the Search Winning Products button, you will be redirected to Taobao, where relevant products based on the keyword entered will be shown and translated using Chrome's translation function. Or, an additional way to discover the top-selling products in a specific niche, utilizing Dropast's search tool, is to set a main category, such as pet, then a subcategory as daily, select a category like bowl, and then click the Search Winning Products button. You will be redirected to Taobao in this case as well, where appropriate products based on the category selected will be shown. Keep in mind that in order to see a Taobao product page, you must first create a Taobao account. You can see how to do it in a few simple clicks on our help site at help.dropast.com.